Gingerbread is an incredibly popular and delicious dessert, especially during the holidays. It is a great way to celebrate the season and get into the spirit of things. Gingerbread is also a very versatile food. It can be eaten as a dessert, snack, or even breakfast. No matter when or how you eat it, gingerbread is sure to inspire happiness and good cheer. Just the thought of having a bird can be so inspiring. They are some of the most amazing creatures on Earth, and just being around them can make you feel happy and uplifted. Birds can teach us so much about life and how to enjoy every moment. They are a reminder to stay positive and hopeful no matter what life throws your way. Mountains are some of the most breathtaking scenes in nature. They can make you feel small and insignificant, but also make you feel empowered and capable. Seeing a mountain in person can be breathtaking, and it's definitely an experience worth having.